Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the Shape Builder tool. This tool is one of the user's favorites and you should be able to master it. To use it is also very easy. Selection, then select the Shape Builder tool. Now look at the cursor, there is a plus sign which has a merge function, and if you hold Alt a minus sign will appear which serves to delete. OK. Here I have prepared several different objects. First, combine. Selection, Shape Builder, and click and drag. Or to delete, hold Alt and click. To punch a hole in the center of the object, hold Alt and click. Second, separate the whole shape into several parts using lines. Hold Alt to remove residual lines. Click in all object parts. Is now a separate part. And finally, the Shape Builder can also colorize even though the objects are still overlapping each other. For example like this. And the object is also automatically separated. This coloring feature is very helpful when applied to sketches. OK. If there are additional features of the Shape Builder that have not been explained here, you can write them in the comments column. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.